southeastern White County in central Arkansas, northwestern Prairie County in central Arkansas, until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Ward 2 near Sylvania to 6 miles southwest of...
Here we are. This is
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern Independence County in north central Arkansas, eastern White County in central Arkansas, north central Prairie County in central Arkansas, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Stepan 2 near West Point 2 near Barrettsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Searcy, Newport, Augusta, Baldknop, Judsonia, Harkerman, Kensett, Diaz, Higginson, Patterson, Grubbs, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Russell, Jackson Port, West Point, Tupelo, Algoa, Pryor and McFadden. This includes U.S. Highway 67 between mile markers 44 and 100. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for eastern Arkansas.